With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, question is let f of x is equals to x square minus 3x plus 2 be a function defined from R to R. And this is definition of function which we already know. Then value of k for which equation this has 6 solutions. Okay, now these are the options. We have to say which of the following option is correct. So let's solve this problem. Okay, if you see this quadratic, okay, f of x is equals to x square minus 3x plus 2. This quadratic has two roots. One root is 1 and other root is 2. Okay students, now we can easily draw its graph. So suppose this is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. Okay, so graph of this quadratic will be this one. This on x coordinate, on this x-axis, x coordinate of this point will be 1 and x coordinate of this point will be 2. Okay, so this is graph for y is equals to f of x. Now what I am going to do, I am going to draw graph of y equals to f of mod x. So for changing y equals to fx into y equals to f of mod of x, what are our steps? We neglect graph on negative x-axis, okay, and we take mirror image of graph on positive x-axis in y-axis. We take image of remaining graph in y-axis. So this is our y-axis. Okay, so this image will be like this. Okay, now this whole is graph of y is equals to mod f of mod x. Okay, and what are the graphs? Okay, these are the graph of required function. No, this is not mod. This is only for f of mod x. Okay, so this is graph of y equals to f of mod x. Now I am going to draw graph of whole mod. So what happens when we put mod on whole function? The only changes is the graph below x-axis, we neglect that graph, okay, below x-axis, and we take mirror image of that part in x-axis above x-axis. Okay, so here image will go like this. Okay, and this will be neglected. Now I'm going to draw fresh graph of this whole function over here. So this is our x-axis. Okay, and this is our y-axis. Okay, now these are the 2 points that I am going to draw, -2, -1. So this is our -2 and this is our -1, and again these 2 points, this is our 1 and this is our 2. Okay, the curve, now this is 1 point, so this is 1 point. Okay, and this come over here and this graph is like this over here. Okay, and this graph goes like this and this graph comes like this. Okay, and this graph goes above this and this graph goes. Okay, no problem. No problem, students. I'm going to draw this once again. Okay. So this is graph of this hole, means this hole. Now equals to k. So I'm going to draw another graph y equals to k. And y equals to k is line parallel to x-axis. X-axis. Okay. And here we need 6 solutions. So when we'll get 6 solutions, see, if this line will be this, okay, then here you can see both pink line and this red curve cut each other at 6 points. Okay, so you'll get 6 solutions. Now we need to find y coordinate of this point. Okay, so if we'll find y coordinate of this point over here, y coordinate of this point, okay, if this is minus a, then y coordinate of this point will be plus a. Okay, we'll multiply negative sign with this, we'll get its image in x-axis. Okay, so let us find this point. And in quadratic chapter, we all have studied that this coordinate is minus d upon 4a. Okay, now in this quadratic, value of a is 1, value of a is 1, x square coefficient is 1, value of b is minus 3, and value of c is 2. So when I will calculate d, this b square, that is 9, minus 4 into 1 into 2, and this will become 1. So this coordinate will be, y coordinate will be minus d. Okay, so this is minus 1 upon 4a. A is 1, 4. So y coordinate of this point will be 1 upon 4. And this line is passing through, this line is parallel to y-axis. So y coordinate of every point on this line will be same. And this point has y coordinate 1 by 4, which means that all these points on this pink line, their y coordinate will be 1 by 4. So line equation will be 1 upon 4. So if value of k is 1 upon 4, then this will have 6 solutions. So option 2 is correct. Thank you, students.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.